Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a short Phillips screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly. This ice maker assembly is located in the refrigerator compartment on the top left corner. It's designed to produce ice cubes on demand. If your ice maker stops making ice, it's time to check it and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. To remove the ice bucket and auger assembly, we need to pull this lever forward and just remove that assembly. Now we're going to remove this single Phillips screw using that short screwdriver, and then we're going to take off that cover panel. So next we need to pry this panel out a little bit with your nail and stick the flat blade screwdriver under, so then we can pull it out, pull it forward, disengage it from the two clips, and then we can slide it out and remove it. So as you can see, we have this harness behind, and this is the ice maker harness, and that's the plug. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, going to press down on the locking tab and pull the plug out. So now we're going to use the flat blade screwdriver, and we're going to push down this tab that locks in the ice maker on the top. And I'm going to grab it with my right hand, push down the tab, and slide the ice maker forward. And then it releases from the clips on the top, and we can remove it now. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So these two cutouts in the ice maker locks over these two pins on the top, and this rear end of the ice maker rests on the shelf there on the top of the rear wall. And now we're going to slide the ice maker in. Press it up. And push it back. Okay. We need to place the harness into the vertical groove at the back on the left side. And now it's time to plug the harness in. So next we're going to place the cover on. These two hooks locks over the tabs. So put it in, push in, and slide in. Now we can secure the cover with a Phillips screw. Before installing the new ice bucket and auger assembly, we need to make sure that the two pedals on the coupling do not interfere with this yoke at the back. So we're going to turn this horizontal, and then we're going to slide it in. Right, we're going to slide this assembly in and lift it up a little bit and push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.